Okay guys, let me continue our video tutorial. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to place beam. Structural beam is located under structure, and then you can find here beam, structural framing, beam. So you can place within the grid line. Okay, and then the shortcut key is BM. Currently we are working in level 0, so we are not going to place any beam at level 0. Let me move to level 1. This level 1, you can see there, level 1 view range allow you to see the column. Let me check the view range first by press the VR. So bottom associated level 1, so we can change it to level 0. So level 0, so just to ensure that the beam that we place later on the grid will be able to be viewed or visible. And okay, so you can see there the column clearly seen here. Beam placement, select the beam and then check under the properties. Currently we already only have beam size 305, 165, 40. So you can add more type of universal beam for your beam. So you have to move from the structural column to the structural framing, because the beam is located under the structural framing folder. Double click structural framing, select steel, and then you can select here UB universal beam, Revit family, and open. So you can select several numbers of different UB beam type. Bear on your mind, the shortest spacing between column that we have is 4000 millimeter. So then for the 4000 millimeter, the initial depth of the column will be around 300 millimeter or less than 300 millimeter. Let me use 300 series. And then a smaller one, smaller beam as well. Later on we will use for the beam system 203. Press 203. Select by pressing the control button, and then for 5000 millimeter span we use this 400 series, and then for 7000 we use the 600, smaller 600, and then press OK. So for the 4000, that we use the 305 127 37 UB. So you place here, then here, 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 to here. You also can do copy, but I prefer to do it one by one to avoid any mistake. Okay, then for the 5000 one, I would like to use the bigger size for 57, 152, 52 from this point to this point. Okay, from this point it is no problem. You can also change the flip structure frame end. Here, here, here to here. That is from here to here, and change the direction. Okay, for the longer span, we will use the bigger size that we have, 600 series. Okay, and see there. We already placed beams at level 1. So let me see the or view the model in 3D view mode, top view, and then so this look like that. So you can change the how it look like. Hidden line, shaded, consistent color, and then realistic. So it is also take care the what do you call it, the sun path as well, the shadow, hidden line. Okay, so you can see around, even see closer different size of beam we use here, and that we return back to level 1. Okay, and then let me continue to level 2. I want to place beam also at only at the interior column beam, and then we use the bigger one, this one to this one. This is the view range need to be changed. We escape and close this one, and then press the VR, and then it will be changed here to level 1, and then to level 1. Apply. Okay. You can see there the beam that we place at the level 2 here is not clearly visible. This is because of the detail level we select here coarse, so we can change to fine, so the shape of the beam will be shown clearly or correctly. and place the beam, another beam 610 229 101 UB spine to the spine. I can then select the smaller beam 457 152 52 kilogram UB spine to the spine, and from the spine to the spine, escape, and escape to end the construction or placement of beam. Then at level 3, the top level here, we also have to change a little bit the change the view range. We are L3 to lower. Okay, so then we can see the column, and then the detail level view here to find. Okay, so you place same as the previous one. The beam, make a bigger beam here, and then smaller beam here, escape. Okay, and escape to end the construction of beam here. So you can view your model in 3D view mode. So currently we have this one. Okay, that's all for this video tutorial. In this video tutorial, we'll learn how to place bottom beams at the every level that we have, level 1, level 2, and level 3. In the next video tutorial, we will learn how to place or construct beam system. Thank you for your attention.